Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to load a debt manually. Now all you need to do is go to the EC Credit Control website and click on that login button, which will take you to this page. Fill in your email address and password and click on login. Now if you don't happen to be a client with us just yet, that's easy. Click on that not a client, click here to sign up button there. We'll ask you for a bit of information and from there we will generate you a password. So fill in your details and click on login, which brings you here to your home page. Now this is a snapshot of everything that's going on with your account. Once you've loaded up your unpaid invoice, you'll see that it'll appear here. You'll also see that you can connect your Xero and MYOB accounts if you have one, which makes it even easier to load a debt. For the purposes of now, we're going to click on that load a debt button and we're going to load a debt manually. You'll also see that you can load invoices from your Xero and MYOB accounts if you need to. Now, when we're loading a debt manually, we need as much information as we can get from you as possible. Now, you'll see these little bite-sized sections of information that we need. If you click on each of those question marks there, we give you a brief snapshot of what we need in that section. So fill in as much information as you possibly can. Now that ranges from customer type, their contact information, their address details, the information on the debt details, so that's amounts and things like that, and any supporting documents and files that will help us in our investigations team and then the resolution team. Now what that means is any estimates that you have provided the client, any email correspondence, your terms and conditions of trade and what you've stipulated as payment terms to the client, anything like that is really helpful when it comes to resolving unpaid invoices. So go through each of these sections, you'll see it's an accordion style menu, very user-friendly and very easy to work yourself through. So once you've filled in each of the details, you click on the next button. So you can click on any of those menu buttons at all if you do need to update anything and they will pop back down. Now for the purposes of debt details, fill in again as much information as you can, the amount that's to be collected and any other costs. You'll also see a couple of questions here. Is the debt registered on the PPSR and are the collection costs recoverable? Now if you know this information, click on that. If you do need any assistance with those questions, feel free to give the customer service team a call. They'll be more than happy to walk you through it. So click on next, and this is the section where you'll put in your supporting documents and files. Now for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to load our unpaid invoice. We have it sitting there in our documents folder. So you choose your files and upload them. So you can put as many documents as you need to in there. There's 15 attachments max. Pop all that information in there. Now this is your section to add any notes if you think they are helpful for the team. Now you'll see my typing is absolutely terrible. Basically I'm just writing a note to say that we've gone through our normal process for invoice but we've had no resolution. Once you've filled in that information, you just need to read, understand and agree to our own terms and conditions of trade. Now you can click on that link there which will show you those. Once you've done that and you agree to everything, click on that and click on submit. It's as easy as that. So once you've got to this and we've uploaded everything, it will take you to a confirmation page. And this is just giving you a snapshot again of everything that you've input and given to us as your information. You'll see that here. If you need to add any additional notes, you've forgotten to load a file, you can do that here. And if you ever need to go back to this particular debt that you've loaded, you just need to go up to the menu bar and click on View All Debts. Now that is where everything is that you've loaded. So click on that. And you'll see that this is all the unpaid invoices that we've loaded. And the one that we've just done manually is there at the top. Click on any of those at any time that you need to, and that will show you where everything is at. Now it's as simple as that. If you do need any information at all or you need some assistance with loading your invoices here, please don't hesitate to give the customer service team a call who are more than happy to help you. I hope this tutorial has been slightly helpful. Enjoy your day.